am so proud of the man you have become. I love your smiling face. I love to hang out with you. I hope the memories of this day remain with you always and inspire you to be a good Jew and a great person. Mazel tov. Love you.
You're growing up to be a very handsome, intelligent guy, and I love to be in your company.
You did a wonderful job. You're turning into a wonderful man, and we love you dearly.